When you don't know which business to do, we spoke about this on previous video. If you haven't watched it yet, please visit my channel and watch it. Loss is not a failure. Profit is success and loss is failure. Failure is key to success and all is fine. So they both are in opposite directions, right? If not, they both might be part of each other, like success is part of failure or failure is part of success. But do you know some similarities? The similarities of profit and loss are they both are just report cards. They both are just marks cards of your business. Profit and loss is not success or failure. Even only profit is not success. That is also just a report card of your decisions in a business. Same way, loss is also a report card of your inputs towards business. The common thing is that what you have to do in both the cases of profit and loss, constant improvement in your inputs towards the business so that the loss reports gets reduced. Failure is when you do not reduce your failures. When you at least start improving your report card, your needle automatically moves towards success in your business. All the best to your needle. Write in comments which business you are planning. We try to decode that business in future videos. Continue to watch next video on if you don't have a better idea in business, that's good.